Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm with Views at San Jose, California, and today we're gonna talk about the pipes in your house. Pipes might be good or might be super dangerous, depends on the type of the pipes and condition. I'm talking about the plumbing pipes, the one that are used for your water and so on. And there are three types of the pipes: lead pipes, galvanized pipes, and polybutylene pipes. All of those are not good. They've been introduced a while back at certain times, and they have certain risks to each of those. So for example, if we're talking about the lead pipes, so they contain a lead, which is dangerous. With a certain use of that pipes for a long time, it might introduce any gastrointestinal problems or other problems for your health. So highly recommended also not to try to possibly replace those pipes at some point. Another one is galvanized pipes. Once again, you run the water, you use it, it might bring some fatigue, other problems, some skin irritations and so on. And the last one is polybutylene. It's a very fragile type of pipe, so you cannot replace it, you cannot fix it, you have to do redo the whole plumbing on that one. Fuse doing all that work. So we have a plumbing license, we can come out, explain to you what kind of pipes do you have, if they need to be fixed, serviced, give you estimate how long and how much to replace it, because if there is any damage or there are some leaks, any problems, it might be more expensive to fix it at some point versus doing it prior before things got bigger. Please go online or give us a call, submit a request, and we'll come out to you and take a look at all your plumbing needs, including the pipes.